In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix vertical lines on Android or Samsung phone screen. If you're dealing with vertical lines on your Android or Samsung phone, here are some steps you can take to address this issue. First thing that you can do is to restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary display issue. Hold down the power button and select restart from the menu. Second thing you can do is to check for software updates. Ensure your phone's operating system is up to date. Software updates often include bug fixes that could address display problems. The third thing that you can do is to perform a soft reset. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons simultaneously until your phone restarts. Check if the line reappear. The fourth thing that you can do is to check for physical damage. Inspect your phone for any physical damage, such as drops or pressure on the screen. If there are visible damage, it might be the cause of the lines. Fifth thing that you can do is to boot into safe mode. So boot your phone into safe mode to check if third-party apps are causing this issue. If the lines disappear in safe mode, an app may be the culprit. Remember that vertical or horizontal lines usually indicate hardware damage and software may not be effective. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to customer support or a professional repair service. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.